Barcelona board, you dumb bitch! What are you doing? What are you doing? The fuck is wrong with you guys? I feel like these people who are managing Barcelona, the Barcelona board, is filled with fucking 12-year kids who have no clue about finance, who have no clue how to run a club. No idea at all. Hi guys, welcome back to Football Stand. I just uploaded a video in which I thought would be the biggest news of today in football. That was Grealish to Man City. I was, what the fuck is happening? Grealish to Man City is done. I was like, wow, the biggest news. But I'm sorry. This is the biggest news ever, guys. Biggest news ever. Messi is leaving Barcelona. It's done. It's official, guys. You can see the Instagram post over here by Barcelona that they want to basically reach an agreement, but they are not able to sign a contract because of, the financial obligations, financial obstacles, which is the reason why Barcelona are so fucked. They are fucked. They are almost bankrupt. And that is the reason why Messi is not able to, play for Barcelona anymore. Just think about that. And I'm sorry, Barcelona fans. I would be angry. I would be angry with Barcelona board. Why? You're signing players like Depay. You're signing Aguero. You're keeping a big ass players, You're keeping players like Griezmann and Dembele and so many players who are huge fee, huge wages and still not able to keep Messi. I'm sorry. You're signing players like Depay before signing a contract with Messi. I know you got into agreement, but I'm sorry, if you're not able to get into a contract, you should be signing Messi before any other signings, man. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? And the funny thing is, okay, he left. It is mad to think about. For free. For a club who are in, who are in dumpster right now because of financial issues. They're almost bankrupt. And they are letting the biggest asset go like that for free, for no cost. You're dumb? Are you dumb, Barcelona? I feel like these people who are managing Barcelona, the Barcelona board, is filled with fucking 12-year kids who have no clue about finance, who have no clue how to run a club. No idea at all. And to be honest, you know what? The club that is gonna sign Messi is gonna be the best club in the, in football right now. Because he's gonna move to, either of, I think Juventus, maybe PSG, Man City, Chelsea, or United. These are the 5 clubs that can actually afford to sign a player like Messi, and that team will be the best team in the world right now. I hope that is my team, Manchester United, bro. I would lose my shit. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I would lose my shit, man. Premier League is coming home, Champions League coming home. That will happen if United sign Messi. But I don't know, man. The most likely location for Messi right now is PSG and Man City. PSG because of Neymar, and they are a big club who can afford to basically splash that cash on Messi, and then they are so eager to basically bring in the viewership as well, the fan base that Messi possesses. Like, that would be really amazing. And same thing for Man City as well. They want to win the Champions League. Pep Guardiola is there. And I'm sorry, Barcelona and La Liga, you're done. I'm sorry, La Liga viewers, La Liga is done. The excitement is gone. In a sense, it's still Barcelona and Real Madrid, but I'm sorry, without Ronaldo and Messi, the viewership will be down by almost 75%. La Liga is completed. La Liga is done. Sorry, La Liga fan. Bye-bye, La Liga. Now it's Premier League or maybe League One, or let's see what's gonna happen, man. And for Barcelona as well, the viewership is done. I was so fucking happy for Barcelona. In a sense, they signed Depay. They were signing amazing players for cheap as well. I was like, wow, Barcelona moving mad right now. They are looking really solid. Their attack particularly is looking fucking great. And now suddenly this bombshell, man. What the fuck? I'm sorry. I don't have words to describe this shit. I'm fucking speechless. I can say one thing. Barcelona board, you dumb bitch. What are you doing? What are you doing? The fuck is wrong with you guys? Like, really, the fuck is wrong with you guys, man? Not able to sign. And people can say, oh, but don't blame Barcelona board. They wanted to sign him and they were not able to sign him because of financial problems. The fuck, first of all, yes, like, it was the board that decided, right? Or you can say the manager changed it. I completely agree. But why are you signing Depay and those players before you are Complete the contract, complete signing off Messi, man. Make sure Messi is here. Make sure Messi is here. I don't care about anything else. I don't care about anything else, man. If Messi leaves, Barcelona are done. They may win La Liga, but I'm sorry. You can dream about Champions League because Champions League is not coming. And to be honest, Barcelona, Real Madrid, and Juventus are still in the ESL, so they don't care about the Champions League anyways. You know what? That's the case. I don't know what's going on with Barcelona. I grew up watching Barcelona, Messi play for Barcelona, and never imagined Messi playing anywhere else. I can never imagine that. Especially after Messi basically almost confirming that he wants to stay at Barcelona. I was like, oh, that's done, That's done. That's done. And I was like so sure that, Barcelona and Messi will stay together. Wow. Wow. The biggest news in football ever. And I thought, Grealish will be the biggest news today. But yeah, it's wrong. It's wrong, man. Tell me in the comment section, which team do you think so is gonna sign Messi? Because I personally believe there are only 5 teams which can afford Messi at the moment, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna talk about Liverpool because Liverpool cannot afford, even though they want to sign him. Everyone wants to sign him, man. He's the best player in the fucking world, man. Okay, everyone wants to sign him, but there are only 5 teams which can seriously afford him. Obviously, there are teams like Atletico and Real Madrid, which is never gonna happen. It's never gonna happen. So I don't want to talk about it. Maybe the Bayern Munich, but I personally don't believe because Bayern Munich are not popular to spend that kind of money, give that amount of money in wages as well. Maybe Messi is one of the best player in the world, so they make exception over there. But I still don't think so. Bayern Munich, is gonna sign Messi. Wherever Messi is going, that team is the best team in the world, and they are the favorites to win the Champions League. Yeah. So please, whatever all these abusive words, leave in the comment section about the Barcelona fucking board. If you're a Barcelona fan, I know your anger and I completely understand that. I feel for you guys. I really do. Even though I'm a Madrid fan, I feel for you guys. Man. I grew up seeing Messi destroying every team in La Liga, playing for Barcelona. I just cannot comprehend this thing. Like, it's impossible to even think about it. It will definitely take me 1-2 days to even basically adjust his thing, man, to accept this thing, because I'm still shocked. I'm fucking dumbfounded. I don't know what to say right now except to say fuck Barcelona board. Fuck Barcelona board, guys. And let's see what's gonna happen in future, guys. Let's see, man. I feel like this is just a start of, fucking Barca going down. Maybe they will, end the contact with some big players as well. So let's see, man. Let's see what's gonna happen. Tell me your opinion on this transfer news, actually, in the comment section, guys. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like and hit the subscribe button, guys. Also, check out my FPL link in the description. And you know what? Fuck Barcelona, board. I feel for you guys, Barcelona fans. I really do. Being not a fan, if Fernandes leaves, I would be destroyed. I would be completely destroyed. So I'm not even comparing Messi with Fernandes, because like 10 times, 15 times, you are like, you fucking done. Like, I don't know what to say. I feel for you guys, man. You're fucking heartbroken. I completely understand that, guys. But that's just how it is. That's how it is, man. Money plays a big factor in football nowadays. And that happened, man. When you spend the more, like, you earn $1 and you spend fucking $20. That's the thing with Barcelona, and they did it. They did it in past. They signed Coutinho, Griezmann, Dembele. Like, this is a repercussion of that shit. Those decisions led to this position, man. Kind of sad, but let's see what's gonna happen, man. Let's see who Messi's gonna join.